Hi friends, this video shows how to check why is my Google TV is not updating. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go down, go to system, set about, set system update. Here we need internet connection. Now it's checking for update. It says your system is up to date. That means I already installed latest update. If you want to check for update manually, you can use this check for update button on the right side. Let me set it. See, it's checking for update, again saying your system is up to date. If your device is not updating automatically, that means there is some issue. Maybe there is no enough space in your device, so you have to delete some data from your device, or you have to uninstall some apps. That way you can create some free space. Then you can come here, then check for update, then you can install. If there is an error during update, that error you should be able to see here in this screen. So you can check this screen under this about system update. Check here in this screen. If there is an error, you would be able to see that error here. Then based on that error, you can take the action. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.